It's not always easy to understand why we pay for our water. After all, it falls from the sky, so why do we bill you for it? In a nutshell, we charge for providing clean water to your home and taking away your wastewater. And we put a lot of work into getting you clean, safe water at the touch of a tap. And to make sure it reaches you quickly and safely, we're constantly working to upgrade and maintain the thousands of miles of pipe that take water to and from your home. We're also responsible for taking away and cleaning water. This means collecting every flush or turn of a tap and all the rainwater that falls on our homes and roads, and taking it to one of our treatment works, where it's lovingly cleaned before being put back out to rivers and the sea. And all this takes place 24 hours a day and 365 days a year across all the areas we look after. So, how do we work out what you owe? With a water meter, you only pay for what you use. We calculate your bill based on a meter reading, which we take every 6 months. Your meter records your water usage in cubic meters. 1 cubic meter is the same as 1,000 litres of water, and we charge you for each cubic meter you use. Each cubic meter costs a few pounds and is roughly the equivalent of 4,000 cups of tea or 14 showers. We add a small charge to cover essential services like producing bills, reading your meter, and managing inquiries, just like other utilities companies do. And that's it. The quickest and easiest way to manage and pay your bills is to get set up online at dwrcymru.com/myaccount. We put every single penny we make straight back into keeping bills as low as we can and looking after your water and our environment. For you, not for profit.